Okay, this is going to be one-handed today. To my pan, I have some broccoli. All it's got on it is salt and pepper, and I have put in just a little bit of soy sauce, not much. I am going to do chicken teriyaki. My chicken is not cooked yet. It will go in with the broccoli. And I have rice, which is fully cooked now. I haven't done anything with it. So that is going to be supper for today, is teriyaki chicken, and probably a salad, I don't know. And no, she does not eat a whole lot of salads. I can't get them down her, even though they're good. But yes, that is going to be supper today. And if I had thought about it, I would have added some shredded cabbage to this, which would also be good with it. I don't think I can sneak it past her though. But that will do. So I'm going to get and now I'm going to add my chicken. Put the lid on. Let it steam for a while, because it is breaded chicken, but it is still raw. It's not fully cooked. So I'll put the lid on that. And this is the teriyaki that I've been using. There's also a orange ginger. They're pretty good. I mean, if you don't like really sweet stuff, this is good. And yeah, that's pretty well the only reason why I use it, because I don't like it really sweet. I mean, sweets are great now and then, yeah, but I prefer the savory. So, teriyaki chicken over rice, and that is going to feed the two of us today. So, y'all have a good one. Bye.